Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. We are going to discuss a very important integration question here, that is integration of x square dx divided by 1 minus x square in the radical. Here we have to use the trigonometric substitution method to find out the integration in this question. Here we have three different situations here to apply the trigonometric substitution method, that is a square minus x square in the radical. If we have a square minus x square, then we have to put x is equals to a sine theta or cos theta. We have to put x is equals to a sine theta or cos theta if in radical a square minus x square is given. So here a square means 1 and x here, so we have to put here x is equals to 1 sine theta. What is the value of a? A is 1. And now we have to find out the derivative of this equation to find out the value of dx. So this is dx over d theta. The derivative of sine theta, it is cos theta, and dx it is equals to cos theta d theta. Now we have to put these values, the value of x and the value of dx. So what is the value of x? X is sine theta, so it is x square, so it will be sine square theta. The value of x is sine theta, we have a square here, so this will be the sine square theta. What is the value of dx? Dx it is equals to cos theta, so we have to put cos theta d theta, and divided by 1 minus again x, the value of x is sine theta, this is x square, so it will be sine square theta. We know that here sine square theta cos theta d theta. In the radical, we have 1 minus sine square theta, it is equals to cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta, it is equals to cos square theta. So radical will cancel out to square. So this is sine square theta cos theta d theta whole divided by cos theta. So this cos theta will cancel out cos theta. So here this is sine square theta d theta. Dear students, please remember that we don't have any direct formula of sine square theta in integration. So we have to change sine square theta into that function in which we have the integration formula there. So we know that sine square theta, it is equals to 1 minus cos theta cos 2 theta over 2. Sine square theta, it is equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Now we have to separate here. Now break the LCM here. So this is 1 over 2 cos 2 theta over 2. And this is, now we have to separate. So this is 1 upon 2 d theta minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 of d theta. That can be written in this form. Cos 2 theta d theta. Now here the integration of d theta is theta minus 1 upon 2 cos 2 theta. So its integration, that is sine 2 theta divided by the constant of the angle here, that is cos 2 theta, 2 is the constant, divided by constant. Because we have a formula, if cos a theta d theta is given, so its integration will be sine a theta divided by a. We have to use this formula. So this is 1 upon 2 theta, 1 upon 4. This is sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta, it is equals to 2 sine theta cos theta. We have to use the formula of sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta, it is equals to 2 sine theta cos theta. 2 2s are 4. We have to simplify. So this is 1 over sine theta and cos theta plus c. Dear students, remember that we have to use the trigonometric substitution method here. The question that was given in the form of f of x. So that is why we have to write down the answer in the form of f of x, not in the form of theta. So we have to change this function in the form of theta. Starting of the question, we have to suppose that x is equals to sine theta. So we have to take out the value of theta here. So this is sine inverse x equals to theta. So this is the value of theta here. Now sine theta is x. We have to find out the value of cos theta. So this is sine square theta plus cos square theta. It is equals to 1. So the value of x sine theta is x square, because this is sine square theta, equals to 1. So this is equals to 1 minus x square. Take out the radical on both sides. So this is the value of 1 cos theta in the radical 1 minus cos square theta. So therefore we have a final result here. This is 1 upon 2. The value of theta is sine inverse x, minus 1 upon 2. This is sine theta. So the value of sine theta is x. This is cos theta. The value of cos theta is 1 minus x square plus c. So this is the answer of this question. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.